So, ang lecture 3 natin is on soil acidity and liming. Okay? So, again, may formula ulit dito, particularly yung sa CCE. Madali lang naman yun. So, siguro, ang unang tanong is, bakit ba mahalaga na mag-lime? Okay? Why is liming very, very important? Okay? Ang purpose ng liming is to raise yung soil pH ng ating lupa kapag yung lupa natin ay may mababang soil pH. Kapag mababa ang soil pH ng ating lupa, ibig sabihin yung lupa ay acidic. Okay? Acidic yung lupa kapag mababa yung kanyang soil pH. And kapag acidic yung lupa, may mga possible deficiencies and nutrient toxicities na possible na mangyari. Like for example, yung na-discuss natin kanina, yung iron toxicity, right? Mas available ang iron kapag acidic ang lupa. And dahil ang iron ay poison kapag nasobrahan, ayaw nating mangyari yon. So, ang gagawin natin in order to neutralize yung mababang soil pH, okay? In order to neutralize the acidity of the soil, we need to apply lime. Okay? Kailangan natin mag-apply ng lime. Now, ang mga liming materials, katulad ng calcium carbonate, for example. Yan. Ang mga liming materials, katulad ng calcium carbonate, hindi sila pare-parehas ng lakas. Okay? Hindi sila pare-parehas ng lakas. Alright? Kapag ang mga liming materials natin, hindi sila pare-parehas ng lakas. Usually, magkakaiba sila ng strength. Okay? Now, ang basehan ng kanilang strength is yung pure calcium carbonate. Kasi ang pure calcium carbonate, okay, 100% yung strength niya. Ibig sabihin, 100% yun yung kanyang lakas. Yun yung pure calcium carbonate. Okay? Ngayon, may mga liming materials na pwedeng mas mababa sa 100% na CCE. May mga liming materials naman na mas mataas sa 100% yung kanilang CCE. So ito yung mga common liming materials natin. So again, ang basihan natin always is yung calcium carbonate. Okay? Kasi 100% yung CCE niyan o yung kanyang calcium carbonate equivalent. So kapag sinabi pala natin calcium carbonate equivalent, okay, kapag sinabi natin calcium carbonate equivalent, it merely pertains, okay, in simple terms, it mainly pertains to the strength of the liming material. Okay? Ang calcitic limestone is around 80 to 100. Ang dolomitic limestone is around 95 to 108. So, this is just a basis, base sa data ng mga scientists na pinag-aralan yung iba't ibang CCE ng mga liming materials, ito yung lumalabas na calcium carbonate equivalent per liming material. Now, how do we compute for the CCE? Okay? Or how do we compute for the, not CCE, how do we compute for the lime requirement ng lupa? Okay? Paano natin malalaman base doon sa material, base doon sa liming material natin? Okay? Based on our liming material, how do we compute for the actual lime that is required in the soil? So, ang formula na gagamitin natin is ano yung requirement, yung requirement ng liming material kapag ginamit natin yung pure calcium carbonate. Kasi remember basehan na natin lagi yung calcium carbonate. It's always the basis. So, um, para malaman yung actual lime na required is kukunin natin yung required na calcium carbonate ng lupa, i-divide natin dun sa CCE ng ating liming material. Okay? So, pure calcium carbonate, requirement divided by the calcium carbonate equivalent nung ating liming material. Okay? So for example, a soil, so yung may mayroon kang lupa, requires a 2 tons of pure calcium carbonate per hectare. Okay? So yan yung requirement niya in terms of calcium carbonate. At si farmer, ang available na lime sa farm niya has a CCE of 80%. Okay? Hindi natin alam kung ano yung liming material na yan, basta ang alam natin, yung liming material niya has a calcium carbonate equivalent of 80%. So mas mahina siya as compared to the pure calcium carbonate. So ang first step na gagawin mo is i-convert mo lang yung CCE ng liming material into decimal. So yung 80%, ko-convert lang natin yan to decimal, magiging 0.8. Okay? Step 2, gagamitin na natin yung formula dito. So ano daw yung kailangan ng lupa in terms of calcium carbonate? Ang kailangan niya is 2 tons. Pero dahil ang agricultural lime na mayroon si farmer ay 80%, has a CCE of 80% lamang, so that would be 2 tons divided by 0.8. Ang kailangan niyang i-apply doon sa kanyang lupa is 2.5 tons per hectare. Okay? So 2 divided by 0.8, 2.5 tons per hectare. So kung mapapansin natin, dahil mas mababa yung CCE ng available lime or ng lime na ginagamit ni farmer, dahil mas mababa, mas kailangan niyang mag-apply ng mas marami in order to neutralize yung kanyang soil. Okay? So, how about this? Yung CCE is above 100. For example, hydrated lime. So, ang requirement nung lupa ni farmer is 2 tons of pure calcium carbonate. Ang available na liming material niya is hydrated lime, which has a CCE of 120%. Ang question, gaano karami yung dapat niyang i-apply in terms of tons per hectare dun sa lupa para ma-neutralize niya ito. So the first step is to convert the CCE into decimal. So that is 120%. Yan yung CCE nung kanyang liming material. Ko-convert mo yan. So move ka lang ng dalawang points dyan. So 1.2. Yan na ngayon yung decimal nung CCE natin. This should be 2, not 20. 2 yan. Now, dahil ang pure calcium carbonate requirement is 2, so 2.0, 2 divided by the decimal of your the decimal of the CCE of the farmer's agricultural lime na 1.2, so 20 divided by 1.2, ang magiging sagot na dyan is 1.67 tons per hectare. So dito mapapansin natin na dahil mas mataas yung CCE, okay? So dahil mas mataas yung CCE ng ating liming material, it is 120%, mas mataas siya sa 100%. Ano? Si farmer, kailangan niyang mag-apply ng mas kaunting liming material. Okay? So, in order to conceptualize this, ito yung summary. Kapag yung CCE ng liming materials natin is less than 100%, the answer should always be higher than 100%. Ang CCE is calcium carbonate equivalent. Okay? Sorry. Yung isang question kanina, sasagutin ko yan, no? Tatapusin ko lang tong discussion na to. Kapag naman yung CCE ng liming material is 100%, again yung CCE pertains to the neutralizing effect. Okay? Gaano ba kalakas mag-neutralize yung liming material para yung soil ay ma-neutralize niya, maipababa, maitaas niya yung pH, kapag mababa yung pH, yun yung ibig sabihin ng CCE. So kapag yung CCE natin is 100%, dapat yung sagot mo is the same as the requirement. Okay? Kapag parehas sila. So if CCE is 100%, kung ano yung required tons per hectare, yun din yung sagot. Kasi 100% yan. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, wag na kayo mag-compute kapag ang CCE na provide is 100%. Kasi remember, ang basis nga natin sa pag-compute ng required liming material is yung calcium carbonate equivalent na yung liming material na calcium carbonate which has a CCE of 100. So kapag parehas yung CCE, kapag yung CCE mo is equal to 100, the same pa rin yung magiging sagot dyan. So same as requirement. Pero kapag yung CCE mo has a higher, is greater than 100%, then the answer must be lower than pure calcium carbonate requirement. So kapag mas mababa sa 100%, dapat ang sagot mas mataas na requirement. Kapag naman mas mataas yung CCE kaysa sa 100%, ang sagot mas mababa. So makikita natin na may inverse relationship ang CCE and requirement. If you have a higher CCE, you are required to apply lesser. You are required to apply lesser liming materials to the soil. If the CCE is lower, you are required to put higher. You are required to apply a higher amount of liming materials in your soil.